The sounds of language. Unpacking the phrase, rustle of a coat. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, rustle of a coat. This phrase is not just about the literal sound a coat makes, but it's a journey into sensory language and how English uses specific sounds to describe actions and objects. Let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind this simple yet vivid phrase. Rustle is an onomatopoeic word, which means it imitates the sound associated with what it describes. When we talk about the rustle of a coat, we're referring to the soft, whispering, or swishing sound a coat makes when it moves, typically when someone is putting it on or taking it off. This phrase is a brilliant example of how English often uses sound-based words to paint a vivid sensory picture. The rustle of a coat is more than just a description of a sound. It's an auditory image that can evoke feelings or memories. For instance, the rustle of a coat could remind someone of a parent leaving for work in the morning or the bustling of people in a crowded place. This phrase shows how language can tap into our senses and evoke emotional responses. You might hear this phrase in various contexts. It could be used literally in a narrative. The rustle of her coat was the only sound in the quiet room. Or figuratively to convey a mood or atmosphere. The room was filled with the rustle of coats as the audience settled in. Understanding such phrases enriches your comprehension of English in both literary and everyday contexts. Let's see the phrase in action. Imagine a scene in a book where a character is leaving a house quietly at night. The author might write, "The only sound was the gentle rustle of his coat as he slipped through the door." This sentence uses the phrase to set a quiet, secretive mood. By learning such phrases, you gain insight into the subtleties of English storytelling. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, rustle of a coat, and appreciate the beauty of sensory language in English. Remember, language is not just about conveying information. It's also about evoking images, sounds, and emotions. Keep exploring these fascinating phrases, and you'll find yourself more connected to the language and its rich tapestry of expressions. Until next time, happy learning!